Hey everybody, looks like I have found myself a new snake. It's a tiny snake and so colorful. Beautiful. I suspect that this might be bamboo snake. Let's see if I can take him on hand. This snake is absolutely tiny. It's a young snake. Baby, and look how pretty it is. I'm so happy I found a new species of snake in Kunming, in south of China. Aren't you pretty, snake, huh? He tried to bite me. I've noticed, many times that small snakes, juveniles, very often are more aggressive than the grown snakes from the same species.